Yes guys, welcome back, and we are continuing our Clickfunnels tutorial. We've gone through everything from how to create an account, how to actually put in your details, the 14-day free trial, and how to navigate through this whole dashboard. So if you haven't watched that video, I'll put a card up for that, so make sure you check that video out. And if you have, you know what, join the ride, let's get it on. And what we're gonna do now is we are creating our first funnel. So the way to do that is you go to build funnel. So that's what we'll do right here. Just clicked on it, and we're gonna build a simple funnel. But what I really want you to take out of this video is that after watching this video, I want you to actually be able to build your own funnels, be able to create different sections, be able to create different rows, columns, how to add images, video, and all that good stuff. So if that's what you're looking for, make sure you sit down, close all your tabs, focus, and join the ride. So you can see here that we have 3 different things that we can do, and this is the power of a funnel, is that you can see it says choose your goals. This is the difference between a funnel and a website. With a funnel, you are setting goals. You are creating a website for a certain goal, for a certain action from the user. So in here we have collect an email. We also have sell your product or host a webinar. And as I told you earlier, collecting emails is mainly lead generation. Selling a product is selling a low ticket product, in the sense of from 0 to, I would say, $300. And hosting a webinar is for you also selling a product, but a product that is in the range of $300 to $1,000. So that's what you should look at. This is you getting leads, this is you selling a low ticket product, and this is you selling a high ticket product. So hopefully you understood that. What I want us to do is I want us to actually build a custom funnel, because I think us building a custom funnel will really make you understand the whole concept, how to actually create funnels, how to make them link up together, how to set the rows and all that. So you know what, I'll click create a custom funnel. We'll give it a name, and I'll just give it YouTube tutorial. And yes guys, you should have seen exactly what I'm seeing here. I'll just let you know we have a launch checklist. This is just going to tell you, oh, the funnel you're building, have you done everything you need to do for that funnel to be active? But since you're watching this video, don't worry, I'll be the checklist for you. I'll tell you the things you need to make sure of that you actually check out, and make sure that you are complete before your funnel goes live. We have funnel steps. In this sense, we only have one here, which is an opt-in, but we can add new steps. So what these steps are is that if someone is in this opt-in landing page, when they do an action, and when I mean action, either they give you, in the sense of an opt-in, they actually opt in into your page. Where do they go next? So this is where we add new steps. Do you want to create a thank you page, or do you want to actually sell them on a low ticket offer? So that's what this new step is for. We also have here, you can see we have opt-in and thank you. We get different templates for opt-in and thank you. So you click on sales page, you can see it's changed. Now we have different funnels. And if you are noticing something, you'll see the moment you're selling something, it's always important to go with a video. It converts better. So these are just tip nuggets that I'm giving you too. Always go with a video when you're creating a funnel that you're selling something. An opt-in funnel, you do not need a video for someone to opt in. You can add a video depending on the product, or depending on just you feeling, okay, I want a video with this for it to convert better, but it's not needed. When you're selling something online, it's always great to have a video with it. And you can see even order form, we have different templates for that. The one-click upsell, these are different one-click upsell templates. So this is the cool thing also about ClickFunnels and the community, is that they really make sure they provide you with funnel templates. I've tried other landing page builders, other funnel builders, and they do not have this extensive amount of templates for their users. So yeah, big up to ClickFunnels. Now you can see also in the webinar, you have different templates for your webinar and how you actually create it with a thank you. And also they have a membership site. This membership is, I personally feel, one of the big pluses of ClickFunnels, is that you're able to actually create a membership where people log in and they get access to a bunch of your products. It could be your courses, it could just be, yeah, anything. Mainly, it's mostly for digital products though. So it would be mainly for your courses. If you're a course creator, this is a great place to actually put all your courses, and then you add a login and a membership template where your viewers or your followers or people who are interested in your services will actually just, yeah, they pay and then they get their login, their password, and they can start accessing all the content. You can also have it for recurring or one-time payment depending on what services or the products that you have there. They're just depending on your marketing strategy even. So yeah guys, that's really it for this part, and let's go back to the opt-in, because we will be creating an opt-in first. You can see we have the stats right here, where you see the stats of page view, unique view, all opt-ins and all that. So you actually get a dashboard where you can monitor and track all these different actions that are happening in your landing page. So what I want us to do is that I know that there are a lot of templates here, but these templates, using them won't really show you what you can do with ClickFunnels. It won't make you get used to the landing page builder, and I want you to be able to navigate and create funnels with the landing page builder. So what I would want us to do is I would want us to get a blank template. Yeah guys, as I said, we will be using the blank template so you can really see the different things you can do with ClickFunnels and just get used to the builder, the page builder. So that's what we'll do, and you can preview it here if you're using a template, but in our case, yeah, we're previewing the blank. You can see we just have this there and nothing else. That's what we want. And then you click on select template. Now you can see right here that we've selected our template. You see this URL here. This is our URL that actually, the web page. If you go to this URL, you will get to this web page, and you can see it has the ClickFunnels. After on in this video, I'll show you how you can add your own custom domain to it, because it looks more professional and it's just better looking on the eyes. Here you can see you have funnels, you have opt-in, you have a lot of numbers. This looks very spammy in my opinion, so it's always good to actually have your own custom domain. We also have this publishing right here. Yes guys, so you can see it shows the funnel step name, which is opt-in, and it also shows the path. You can always change this path to like a bridge page. You can write squeeze or write maybe portfolio if in your case you're creating a portfolio site. And yes guys, I really feel that's it for now. There's no need of going into too much in this dashboard part right here. So what I want us to do now is we click on edit, and edit means we get to actually start editing our funnel and get to actually start building it out from scratch. Now you will see we have this yellow, or I don't know, is this yellow or orange? I'm not really sure about this color. Maybe it is more of an orangey color. So we have that, and then we have this blue, and then we have this green. So these are the building blocks of actually really understanding what the builder does. This is when you see this color right here, this is the element itself. So in our case, it's a headline. When you see the blue is more about the row. You see it's one column row, so it's a column or the row. And then the green is the section. So you can say it says sales copy or opt-in, but it's mainly the section. So you see here we have section add section, add row column, and then add elements. So this is elements, this is row column, and this is section. So that's really it for this. And I'm gonna delete this. If you want to delete, you click on this. If you want to clone, which is duplicate, I'll just show you. See, it's been duplicated. You click on this. Now I'm gonna delete it, and now you can see it's gone. If you want to move it around, you click on this and then you move it where you want it to be. And this is the settings. So in the settings, most settings, you will see a top margin. And if you know a little bit about CSS and just computer design and all that, a margin is the space outside the element. So you see, the moment I move this, you can see that a space is either created or it is removed from that element. So it's a space outside the element. You can see we have font size, we have font family. We can choose different font families, and now it's been changed. We have our mobile size. So this is better to do the mobile size when you're actually here for mobile only. You can see we get it actually like a mobile form, and this is for all. Or if you want only desktop, you can also get it like that. So yeah, guys, that's mainly it for this. This is the mobile size, the font size for the mobile. Now we have text color. We have the bold color. If you want it to be a certain color when it's bolded, you can do this. I can show you right here. And then I say, you know what, I want this to be bolded. Now you can see that the color is changed to blue when it's been bolded. So this can come in handy if you're creating a landing page. I always use this because I like changing and mixing up colors and actually changing colors of different words that I feel I want them to stand out. They're very important words. You use this for that. Now we also have the background color, and this is very self-explanatory. You change it and you can see this right here. This element's background color has been changed. I can also show you if you want to change the row column background color, we can change that too, just so you really see. And this is the row column, this is the element itself, this is the row column, and we can even change the sections color. And we click here, we change the background color of the section, give it a red, and now you can see all the difference. We have the, as I said earlier, the element itself, then we have the row column, and then we have this section. And just so I just really show you what a margin is, you can see the margin changes, top margin changes, because the element itself is not creating the space, it's outside the element. That's what I was explaining earlier. And we also have padding, and I want to show you padding. And with padding here, you can see it says padding is going to create space inside the element. So if I add padding to this, I'll add a padding of 20, and you can see that inside the element, spaces have been created around it, and it's been 20, 20, 20, 20. So that's really something you should keep note of. Understand the difference between padding and margin. It's a little bit hard at the beginning. You get a little bit confused with it, but the more you create pages, the more you actually get used to like creating websites and landing pages, the more you get used to all this. So that's about it. Now we know the difference between the element, the columns, the rows, and the sections. So what I also want to show you is this part here, which is the settings. And in the settings, we have integration, we have metadata, SEO metadata settings, and we also have our tracking code. And these tracking codes can be your analytics, it could be your Google tag managers and all that. And also we have Facebook pixel if you're running ads on this landing page. Another thing that's extremely important is the custom CSS. So this custom CSS allows you to do custom CSS, like basically the name, what the name says is what you can do. You can add your own styling that maybe this landing page builder doesn't have on its dashboard. So the way you do that is you will just go to this, you click on settings, And if you know CSS, you know that to really do something with CSS, you either need the class or you need the... Okay, let me check Google. Really funny, class and ID in CSS. So you either need the class or the ID. So in this sense, the ID is with a hash. So we get the ID here. You can see CSS ID selector. We click on that, and then we go to our CSS right here. And yeah, we can click on the custom CSS. We add it here. And then with CSS, you do like this, create this curly brackets, and then you put whatever you want there. So here I can say font size is equal to 100 pixel. Let's see if that's gonna work. It doesn't work because it's overriding what we already have here, but we can add something different. Maybe not font size, but we can say color green. And now you can see that the color is actually changed to green. And yeah, you see we have green, red. So there's so many cool things you can do with the custom CSS right here, and it's gonna come in handy for if you want to do some things to like buttons, or you want your buttons to look different, add some gradients to the buttons, or if you actually want to export fonts, you'll be able to export them and actually use them well using this custom CSS. You just write code to override all the other fonts that Clickfunnels provides. So yeah guys, this is really a basic introduction. You see we have the mobile view here and we have the desktop view here, and if you want to leave this landing page builder, you click here and you exit. So another thing is, whenever you're doing your project, make sure you save it after a while, so you do not just, if something happens to your computer or it just shuts off, you might lose all your work, and you don't want that because that really sucks. So make sure that you save it, and you can also preview whatever things you've done. And now we can preview what we've done right here, and we see how it's gonna look on the browser, on the internet. So yeah guys, this is the first part of the introduction to the landing page builder. I just wanted you to understand the whole basics of it, and yeah, understand the navigation of here. Here we also have settings and advanced. So if sometimes you're looking for something you want to change and you don't see it in the settings, make sure to check also the advanced, because the advanced has advanced settings. Basically, you can add borders, you can say a full border for this, and you can add the size 10 pixel, and yeah, there's so many things. Add a border radius of 45. So there's so many things you can add. You can see it looks totally different now. And yeah guys, the second part, we'll actually start building the funnel itself. We're building a nice lead magnet funnel where we collect leads through providing a free ebook, and when they actually opt in, we will take them to a sales page where we'll sell them on a low ticket offer. So that's what we'll be doing in the next video. Hopefully you're excited for it as I am. And yeah guys, I'll see you on the part 3. Make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell notification. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments below. You'll also see a link to actually join Clickfunnels, and yeah, try it out for 14 days. It's completely free for 14 days. And yeah, get used to it, follow along with this tutorial and learn, because you know what, this is the age of learning, and that's what we're all doing here. So take care of yourself, and I'll see you all on the part 3.